at the water. What do you see?
Pretty sparkles.
Those would be from the sun's light, reflected off the water, kind of like what a mirror does. Now, sometimes light will hit a surface that reflects light, but that surface is not even, and that causes the light to bend.
The correct term for that is refraction.
I was getting to that. That's what makes the straw in a glass of water look like it's bent. This is called refraction.
'Cause light is energy that lets us see. When light strikes an object, it can be blocked and a shadow will form. Reflected and thrown back for more. Transmitted, it's passed along. What will happen depends on the type of object that it strikes. There's lots about light, you'll like.
Jalen starts with the light source, the flashlight, straight overhead, shining down on the bottle of liquid soap. Lauren uses the markers to trace the shadow from straight overhead. Then they lowered the angle of the flashlight. Now, Lauren uses a different color marker to trace the shadow at this angle. Right away, they see a big difference in the shadow.